Well, you might have noticed it. The produce shelves on your local Safeway stores a little bit bare. Safeway confirms that it's linked to an outbreak at a major distribution center. NBC Bay Area's Tom Jensen reports San Joaquin County is now trying to determine whether it's an isolated outbreak.
All employees and visitors at Safeway's Northern California Distribution Center are now required to undergo temperature checks after 3% of its workers, about 50 people, tested positive for COVID-19. At least one employee also died from COVID-19 complications. Safeway confirming the outbreak and death after noticeable shortages in produce and other select items became apparent at stores across Northern California. Safeway Director of Public Affairs Wendy Gutschall also said all workers at the Tracy Center now have to wear masks, staggered breaks for social distancing, and she says the company also instituted a number of new sanitizing efforts. Meanwhile, San Joaquin County Public Health Services also just sent out a memo to neighboring distribution centers and other businesses across the county asking them to report COVID-19 outbreaks. The memo says if there are 3 or more lab-confirmed cases, it is considered an outbreak at a workplace. A spokesperson for the agency says so far she does not know of any other outbreaks that have been reported since the memo went out. Safeway also said, according to the Food and Drug Administration, there is no reason to believe the virus could be transferred through any of its products or packaging. Its full statement is on our website at NBCBayArea.com.